What's up YouTube? Today we're working on 2009 Lexus ES 350. We're gonna show you step by step how to replace your front wheel bearings. So regular cost for that job between $500 and $650. We're gonna fit in $74. Alright guys, what we've got here, so we took it off this hub, and now what we need to do, we need to move this cover, and here's the ring. We need to move that as well. Just like that. First we need to take it off the bearing. So here's the new one, and why we bought it bearing and hub, because bearing consists of two parts, and when you're gonna press this bearing inside, it can fall in the parts. So better to buy wheel bearing and new hub. So first we need to take it off the hub. So we're gonna be using 34mm socket. So next what we're going to do is take it off the bearing itself. So now we're gonna use back part of starter. So let's fit it perfectly. So we have to make sure that it fits all the way to the back, because we need to put it our ring right here. Now we have to put it something on this part, not on this part. So we need to find this kind of the same diameter that is right here, because if we're gonna put it here, it's in outside ring, so we're gonna damage the bearing itself. Alright, we're all set, the bearing and hub in it, so we just need to put it back in. Alright guys, so we saved around $500, so we all set and good to go.